My name's Leslie Ripka. I'm from Myrtle Beach. I love to boogie board, camping, riding bikes. Just like to have fun. I've been having neurological problems for 2.5 years. My chronic jerking, twitching, back pain, leg spasms, a whole wide range of problems I've been having. Oh, I've been seeing a neurologist for 2.5 years. They've been trying to figure out what's going on with me, and nobody really knows. Oh, the staff is fabulous. Everybody treats you like family. When you come in the door, they know who you are. They're very quick. I've been to another chiropractor before, and I felt like it was a cattle call. They just kind of rushed you in and rushed you out, and that's not how it is here. Everybody's great and takes the time to explain what's going on, and you just feel like you're in your friend's house. It's great. Dr. Mike is great. He explains everything to you. I've been in other chiropractors' offices where what they were saying did not make sense. I didn't understand what they were saying. Dr. Mike is completely different. He explains it to you. He makes you feel very comfortable, and I really like him. Oh, if you're considering going to a chiropractor, I would definitely come here. But just from the experience from other chiropractors' offices, night and day. How they make you feel, the treatments that they're offering, it's just a completely different experience, and I won't be going anywhere else.